Hey guys, how's it going? We're going to cover a very nice little gliding movement that's really nice for your hip, hamstring and hip flexor. So it's a little mobility drill that also will help build a little bit of strength as well. So I basically call it the long lunge to pigeon. I don't know if you've got any better names for it, but we'll do a couple here. I'll do it from the front and from the side so you can see it. It's great to do at home on the kitchen floor or somewhere where it's a little bit slidey. So let's get into it. Okay, I have my sliders here. So if you've got those, feel free to use them. I'm going to put one under a knee and one under a foot, okay? So from there, what we're going to do is the foot goes out and we lunge forward into our long lunge, okay? From there, we straighten that leg and lean back. So it's nice and straight, hips are nice and square, back's flat. Lean forward again and push back up so that this is nice and aligned and this is nice and straight. From there, we're going to take it out in a circle so the weight is going into this foot as it comes around behind. From there, you're going to externally rotate your hip and come into pigeon, like so. So the hip flexor is getting a nice stretch, out straight behind you, and then you can come back up, rotate that back in, and come back around into your lunge. And so that's a nice long lunge. So nice position at the ankle, so knees slightly over toes in this one. Good hip flexion. Then you to push back, hips nice and square, leg nice and straight, back straight. Come forward, lift up till it's nice and straight. Weight in the moving foot, rotate the leg into pigeon and sit back. So we'll try that one from the side now. From the side, knee on the slider or on your kitchen floor, maybe a little cushion or something because you don't want too much pressure, painful against the kneecap. So what we're going to do is, foot goes out, lean forward into your nice long lunge, back straight, hips square, legs nice and straight, back into your long lunge, and then push up. So again, this is nice and straight, this is straight, weight in the foot, out to the side, rotate this leg around into flexion, or external rotation, sorry, flex at the hip into a nice pigeon, and then come back, whoop, don't lose your slider, up, rotate that leg back to where it was, back in to your long lunge. So now you're just going to straighten that leg again, back, straight back up, and then weight in that foot again as this hip externally rotates into a nice pigeon and back. I've left my slider behind, as you can see. But that's it. It's a great little drill. It's great for opening up the whole hip. It does everything that you need it to do in a short amount of time. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. It's a great little drill.